Online Advanced Excursion 9. Define target definition files for Java and .NET applications. In this excursion, we will first create a target definition file for a Java application called Space Game. Next, we will create 4 target definition files to build the .NET LO solution. To create a target definition file, go to the Target Explorer, right-click on the TGT directories and select New Target. Select Java from the operating system list and select the Enterprise Java Jar Build service. Click Next. Enter the name of the final target to be built and click Finish. Click on the Projects button. Select the Space Game project and click OK. Define the intermediate directory as classes. This will cause all compiled intermediate class files to be placed under the classes directory relative to the build directory. Click on the Detail tab to start adding dependencies. Select the Set Class Path build task and click on the Add Dep button. Specify the library to include in the class path and click OK. For this excursion, we need to find the source and the non-source dependencies through a lifecycle reference directory. This means that all dependencies will not necessarily be found in the production environment. For some of them, we will also have to look in the development and test environment. Select the NJavaC build task and click on the Import Deps button. Click on the Browse button and navigate the file system to locate the source directory in the production environment. Check the source directory and click the Filter Types button. Select the .java extension and click OK. By setting this filter, we are making sure that only files with the .java extension will be imported. Click on the No Wildcards radio button and click Finish. We already know that there are no source dependencies located in development and test. Therefore, there are no need to perform the import action for those environments. Now we need to import non-source dependencies into the njar build task. There are non-source dependencies located in the production and the development environments. Select the njar build task and click on the Import Deps button. Click on the Browse button and navigate the file system to locate the non-source directory in the production environment. Check the resource directory. Click on the Wildcard by Extension radio button and click Finish. We need to repeat the same steps for the development environment. When you are done, save your new target definition file into C Space Game Build directory. We will now create the 4 target definition files for the LO solution. There are 4 projects within the solution. 2 executables and 2 DLLs will be created as a result of the LO solution build. Let's create the target definition files for the executables first. Right-click on TGT directories and select New Target. Select Windows from the operating system list and select the Enterprise Visual Studio DevEnv 2008 Solution Executable Build Service. Click Next. Enter the name of the final target to be built and click Finish. Click on the Projects button. Select the LOL project and click OK. Define the target directory as LOL client bin. This will cause LOL client.exe to be placed under the LOL client bin directory relative to the build directory. Click on the Detail tab to start adding dependencies. Again here, we need to find the source dependencies through a lifecycle reference directory. For this specific .NET example, we know the solution file is located in the production environment. However, the projects for this solution can be located in other environments such as development or test. For the LOL client.exe target, The project is developed with Visual Basic and is located in the production environment. Select the Solution Build task and click on the Import Depths button. Click on the Browse button and navigate the file system to locate the source directory in the production environment. Check the prod directory and click the Filter Types button. Select the .sln and the .vbproj extensions and click OK. Click Finish. When you are done, save the new target definition file into C Hello World build directory. We will now create the target definition file for smartclient.exe. This time, we will set the target directory by using an environment variable. This will cause smartclient.exe to be placed under smartclient bin release or smartclient bin debug, depending on the configuration specified at build time. For the smartclient.exe target, the project is developed with C# and is located in the development environment. However, we need to keep in mind that the solution file is located in production. Select the Solution Build task and click on the Import Depths button. Click on the Browse button and navigate the file system to locate the source directory in the production environment. Check the prod directory and click the Filter Types button. Select the .sln extension and click OK. Click Finish. This will bring the solution file in your dependencies list. Now we need to add the project file to the list. Click on the Import Depths button. Click on the Browse button and navigate the file system to locate the source directory in the development environment. Check the dev directory and click the Filter Types button. Select the .csproj extension and click OK. Click Finish. When you are done, save the target definition file into C Hello World build directory. There are two more target definition files to be created in order to build the projects creating dynamic link libraries. For the Hello World web client.dll target, the project is being developed with Visual Basic and is located in the test environment. Right-click on TGT's directories and select New Target. Select Windows from the operating system list and select the Enterprise Visual Studio DevEnv 2008 Solution Dynamic Link Library Build Service. Click Next. Enter the name of the final target to be built and click Finish. Click on the Projects button. Select the Hello World project and click OK. Define the target directory as Hello World Web Client bin. As for the previous target definition files, we need to specify the .NET solution as a dependency. Next, click on the Import Depths button. Navigate the file system to locate the source directory in the test environment. Check the test directory and click on the Filter Types button. Select the .vbproj extension and click OK. Click Finish and save the target definition file into C Hello World build directory. Finally, we will create the target definition file for the Hello World Web Services project, which is developed with C# and is located in the test environment. In the next online advanced excursion, we will create basic workflows and execute builds.